Well, toner cartridges, most of the time they have little gold chips like that. You just have to find them. And for example, on this one, it's on there. It's usually on the side somewhere, the toner. So just want to show you guys what these look like. So there you go. So pretty much toner cartridges have these little chips in them, and like you can see, there's definitely gold on them. I guess similar to a credit card chip. Gold on the back too. I don't know if you want to go through the hassle of removing this little IC chip, but IC chip too. So nice little piece of gold there for the refiners and the extractors and all that. I'm still working on my hoard of gold, where I'm gonna try to extract the gold myself from little bits of ribbons and everything. Collection has gotten a little bigger. Have some IC chips, some broken games. Look at, oop, I dropped that. I can see little Game Boy and cartridges that are completely ruined but have gold in them. You know, you have a bunch of these little chips from toners, and there you go, some credit card stuff. There you go. So I have a little hoard going here of pins and whatnot. I also have a bunch of connectors. I'm hoarding. Nice big box of connectors, all gold tipped. I have some other gold finger cards and everything that I'm kind of hoarding. I usually sell that stuff. I don't do any of the refining and extracting of gold, but I want to give it a try. Probably do it out in the woods somewhere, so I don't smell up my house and ruin something in the house. Obviously safer, away from everyone, so that's the plan. So cartridges, when you see them, don't forget we have little boards or little chips on them. Find them, take them, keep them. You can even sell them. You don't have to do the whole extraction process, but just take them out. Remember, they're there. Make some money. So like, subscribe. Comments are always welcome. I try to answer everything in my in the comment section. And if you guys have any ideas in regards to toner cartridges, I know some people sell them to companies that recycle them, but they have to be original, and none of the ones I had were original, so they won't take them. But also keep in mind that you could sell cartridges, if they're original, to specific companies online. If you Google it, you'll find it. So talk to you guys soon.